Hi friends, today I want to share the review of this very important book that is recently published in India. I ordered it from online store and this is from Mala Barua and Nandini Gulati. I met them more than 9 years ago at a vegan retreat. There, their journey started into exploration of plant-based diet and lifestyle. I knew Nandini was already following it and Mala Barua started following it fully ever since then. This is their second book and it took a long time for them to release it, but finally it is here. And it's such a treat to have such a fantastic book published right now when we need it the most. It's really a big fat volume with loads of recipes. But what is the most important part of this book? This book is just not only about plant-based diet. It's about whole food plant-based diet. And what do I mean by whole foods? That means the foods that are minimally processed or not processed at all. So this book says the recipes are sugar-free, no white sugar, oil-free. There's absolutely no oil in any of these recipes. They are also gluten-free. That means there is no wheat or wheat flour or any wheat accessories used in this. So that is why those who are on the path of reversing diseases or prevention of getting lifestyle related diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, PCOS, thyroid, high cholesterol, you need a Bible like this right in your kitchen. This book has it all, right from your breakfast to the last section dessert. Also some of the basics like what will you need in your kitchen, what gadgets or utensils you will need in your kitchen. And the recipes are very simple, very easy to understand. Step-by-step guide. I really like some of the favorite sections of mine are salads. The ingredients are very simple. The dressing is oil-free, very simple. The presentation, very, very good. And yet you see a very exotic looking salad. And when you eat it, it's even good for your own body because these are all living foods. So it has, say, recipes like almond milk. When you give up dairy, that's like going plant-based and you don't want any animal products, you're looking for dairy replacements. Here is the recipe for almond milk. What about curd? We Indians love curd, right? We like our dahi chawal, we like dahi vada, we like our lassi, buttermilk. Here is the recipe for peanut curd. So that's simply made and that also is with the fiber. So you don't remove fiber and make curd and this gives you your probiotic. Let's look at another page. There's even a better version of curd, which is peanut and rice curd. Now this is a combination of curd from two dairy replacements. That's peanut and rice. The peanut taste is very strong and the rice taste is milder, and so now the final product is very tasty. You have also coconut milk. How to make coconut milk? Thick one and the thin one. This is used a lot in South Indian cuisine. You also can make your coconut cream right at home. Coconut butter, very simple. So this is exactly a book that has almost everything on plant-based diets. And if you want to start your journey, get this book. Also, there is a very important chart in this book and that is called as kitchen substitution chart. So here, you want to make your kitchen healthy. So go over the entire list and what will you replace with what. So if you have cheese in your kitchen, how will you replace it with a plant-based cheese? Or if you have, say, oil in the kitchen and now you want to go oil-free, how will you replace oil? So this chart is a must before even you make a list of ingredients to buy and convert your kitchen into plant-based kitchen. So do refer this chart, it's very useful. Also, this book covers a lot of traditional Indian recipes like tamarind rice or curd rice. So, these are the things that we've been eating forever. So, how will you want to still eat them exactly the same way? That's your sugar-free, your oil-free, your dairy-free, and your gluten-free. And yet, it still incorporates all the traditional Indian dishes, even made from paneer or made from dahi, or some of recipes like misi roti. So all these recipes are already there in this book. So you don't have to deviate from your traditions. You can continue your traditions in your home and yet at the same time follow plant-based lifestyle. So finally, friends, I highly recommend that if you are on a journey to become very healthy and have chosen to go plant-based, this book is your friend. Just go for it.